Hello everyone, I'm Upasana Taneja. Welcome back to my channel. So today we have another Maths Olympiad question where we are given 2 raised to power x minus 1 plus 3 raised to power x minus 2 is equal to 113. So whenever you get these types of questions in competitive exams, do not always try to solve it in like complicated ways. Try to figure out some easy ways to find out the value of x. Okay. So here if you see, that if I add a power of 2 and a power of 3, I get 113. So if I write some powers of 2 here, like 2 raised to power 1 is 2, 2 raised to power 2 is 4, 2 raised to power 3 is 8, 2 raised to power 4 is 16, 2 raised to power 5 is what? 32. Like this, I like some powers of 2, right? Because the sum is 113. So both numbers will be less than, like power of 2 and power of 3 will be less than 113, right? So here I write 3 raised to power 1 is 3, 3 raised to power 2 is 9, 3 raised to power 3 is what? 27, 3 raised to power 4 is 81, 3 raised to power 5 I do not need to write, right? It will be bigger, and here as well it will be bigger. So we need to write just these numbers, right? Now here try to figure out or try to see which two numbers, one from here and one from here, you add, then you get 113. So if you see, you add 2 in some number, you will not get 113, right? Okay. If you get 4 in any of the number here, you will not get 113. If you add 8 in any of the number, you will not get 113, right? So likewise 16 as well. If you put 16, add 16 in any of the number, you will not get 113. If you take 32 and add it in 81, as you can see, you will get 113. That means you are adding 2 raised to power 5 plus 3 raised to power 4 to get 113, right? And which gives us that x minus 1 is 5 and x minus 2 is 4, right? Then what is x? X is 6. That means x is 6, and we got our answer. It is very simple and easy. The only thing is we need to think in a different way to get to the answer instead of solving it traditionally, right? So I hope you understood this. If you like it, do subscribe to my channel. Your support means a lot to me. And if you like to solve math riddles, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you in next video.